Hi guys, it's Kero here from Camp Zero in Eastern Australia, over near the Pacific there. Bit of a unboxing tonight. I got a package in the mail from eBay, and come boy, baby dog, and this is Bono, my baby dog, and fella boy Muddy. You may remember me from such episodes as the time I smacked that guy in the face for being a dickhead. Anyhow, we got through that and I didn't get arrested, but the dog here keeps throwing me up his tennis ball, and what it is this half tennis ball, because he gets them and he breaks them and he munches them and turns them into half balls and keeps throwing them to me. It's fucking stupid, but anyhow, if you see me throwing things, that's why. Alright, tonight I've got an unboxing that came in here from eBay, and it's something I've needed for a long time, and it's a set of chisels. Baby, come here, baby boy. It's a set of chisels, and because as you know, I'm a woodworker. I work with wood, and I haven't had a decent, well, not even a decent, any set of chisels. And so what I did was ordered some from eBay for $29.95. So that's very close to $30. It's actually $29.95, because 5 cents makes a lot of difference to me. There goes the ball. I want to show you my chisels. Here come. So in a package, you see I've already cracked it because I couldn't help but peek inside. But let's bring them out one by one and let's have a look at my chisels. The sizes, 1/2 inch and 1/2 inch. Can go there. Get another one. This one is 3/4. So that's bigger than 1/2 inch, that goes there. 3/8, which is smaller. Pardon me for burping. That goes there. And my computer just made a funny noise as well. It's time for funny noises, boy, baby. 1 inch. 1 whole inch. Big. That's my chisel right there. 5/8, which goes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chisels for $30, $29.95, and hopefully they'll do me. I really don't know what to expect because I haven't actually been inside them to see. Here we go. The one that I'm going to use at the moment, because I'm in the middle of a project, and that project is to build the framing for a bathhouse on the building that's next door to me that I also own, and I've done all of the hardwood framing. There's no softwood in there at all, it's all hardwood, and I've got up to this point without a chisel, but I really need a big chisel. So I got this one. Well, that came apart easily. This is my chisel. Okay, it's got a cap on. When I finish using it, I put the cap back on. Helps protect the blade. Okay, it's got a nice plastic cap. Happy with that. Packaging, not so interested in. With my chisels, I'll just show you something buried. It's under here. Okay, it's this. Don't know if you can see that in this light. I made this myself out of blue gum, hardwood, and I sculpted that and shaped it, and big nice butt end on it so that it doesn't fly out of your hand, and nice and square on the end. for tapping chisels. That's all I use it for. Okay, and you can do it up here, nice up near your hand, really delicate, really fine, really controlled. Or you can go back up here, you can whack the shit out of it. It's good, and it doesn't hurt it. It's all good. It doesn't hurt the chisel. The thing about the chisel is it's steel on the end, okay, and it's steel through to the blade, so it's all steel. So you whack that, you're whacking directly on that. It's got a little bit of a polymer coating on there for the handle, a little bit of a I guess it's injection molded poly acrylic something, I don't know, but that's just a handle, you know. The work of the thing is done right through the butt there, right at the end, so that's good. Good little chisel. Also, I like the short chisels. See, this one's only that long. You can get chisels that are like out here, and you know, you're working with them and they're like out there, and you're like, there's just no accuracy. It's fucked, you know. I like the little short ones where you're right on top of your work, just right there, nice and fine. You can get all the little bits. You turn him over and you go the other way. I like the short ones, hey. I like them. They're good. Okay, so that's my chisel. At the end of the day, it's all about value for money. It's all about what you can afford. I honestly could not afford anything more than this. And my 1" is going to stay with my mallet because that's the one I'm working with. All of these, they're good, hey, like that's a lovely little chisel right there. That's a really nice little chisel. 3/8, brilliant, but not for what I'm doing. I'm doing the big stuff at the moment, so they can all go away. This one doesn't even need to stay in its packaging. The packaging can go in the bin because that one is the one I'm working with. Anyhow guys, that's it. That's all about my chisels and the unboxing of my fresh new set of chisels. You might have noticed, or you might have, you know, discovered that I'm a little bit excited about them. But that's only because I love new stuff. It's not because they're exceptionally great chisels. And you'll probably find, oh, it's blunt. No, seriously, it's blunt. I couldn't. Where's a piece of paper? That's a piece of paper. Okay, let's do this. See, it tears it. It puts a tear in it, but it doesn't cut it. Let's hold it. Let's see if it cuts. Nah, it just ripped it. So that, fresh out of the box, straight from eBay, for $29.95. In fact, this baby is $6 because I got 5 chisels for $29.95. $6 on eBay, a nice chisel, structurally sound, blunt as fuck, who cares? I can take it over to my workshop and put it on a stone and I can grind it and I can grind this way as well, and that will be as sharp, razor sharp, to cut hairs on your arm, to cut pieces of paper. That'll be ready in about, I reckon, in about 48 seconds. That quick to sharpen that. It's no big deal. No, doesn't cut anything. My chisel, my mallet, my chisel. Guys, thanks for joining me on the unboxing of my fresh new chisels. I'll see you on the next video. This is Captain Zero. My name is Kero from Camp Zero in Queensland, Australia, eastern Queensland, Australia, on the coast, not far away at all from the Pacific. I can smell it, but I can't swim in it from here. But anyhow, all good. See you on the next video. Thank you for joining me. Appreciate it. Bye.